On Saturday, Keir Starmer, the man who has the temerity to call himself the Prime Minister, spoke at the Munich Security Conference. He warned that Britain must be ready to tackle Russia. His exact words were, "Russia has proved its appetite for aggression. Russia's rearmament would only accelerate, and we must answer this threat in full." In other words, Starmer wants to send your sons to Ukraine to die for him. This is the man whose pernicious government has allowed, is continuing to allow, invaders to enter this country, putting them up in hotels. Anonymous men who have most likely been convicted or wanted for crimes in their own countries. Some have, like this louse. This man raped a young woman in Hyde Park. He was convicted in his native Egypt, in absentia, belonging to a terrorist organisation. Starmer and his goons are encouraging this invasion. He's outsourcing the opposition to scum like Hope Not Hate and stand up to racism. Stand up to racism indeed. These men, many of them, are a threat to us. There have been God knows how many young women and girls raped. One was murdered last year. A killer was convicted recently. Rhiannon White, her name was. Mother of a 6-year-old boy. And Starmer wants to send British troops to Ukraine to fight Russia. For what? We should be defending our own borders. They like to portray Vladimir Putin as a madman. What short memories they have. Those of us who are old enough to remember it may also remember what happened after the collapse of the Soviet Union. There were suggestions that Russia should join NATO. If that had happened, what a different place the world would be. None of this madness. Putin made a big mistake invading Ukraine. We'll make an even bigger mistake if we allow this madness to drag us in. We have no army to mention now. This isn't the British Empire anymore. The greatest empire in history, the one on which the sun never set. We're now a pathetic, puny country, and we're being invaded, and our leaders are co-conspirators in this invasion. Don't send your sons to die for Starmer. Don't even think about it.